One of the most exciting industries within the trades at the moment is without a doubt the electrical space. Today you're going to see a case study of a new client of ours, and we're going to run through some of the strategy behind what we're doing with them in order to help them stand out in a pretty busy marketplace. Hey guys, I'm Matt from Tradie Web Guys, and I'm coming at you today with a case study for an electrical company in Sydney's inner west. Now, they originally came to us because they're going through a pretty significant growth phase at the moment, and they really needed some online representation that reflected the caliber of the business that they are. They're extremely professional outfit, and they really want to be sort of positioned as that tech savvy, high-end type of electrical provider, within Sydney's inner west, which is quite a lucrative part of Sydney for those of you that don't know. So the initial brief for them was they wanted to be found online, which of course lends itself to marketing. However, first and foremost, we had to rebuild their website so that it would form a solid marketing foundation for them. So this is stage one of this project. This is their old website, as you can see. It wasn't actually too bad, but in terms of formatting, I've seen a lot worse. But in terms of formatting, it sort of dropped the ball. It didn't look great. It didn't look great on mobile. From the purpose of SEO, it hadn't really been dialed in properly. Services were lacking their own pages, and just things like that. It just hadn't been done the way that it should have been. Part of the scope, obviously, was to make them stand out in search engines for those parts of Sydney especially. And it took a lot of keyword research. And actually, we ended up rewriting the content for this website because we did it once, and then we went back to the drawing board and double checked everything, and we were like, actually, it needed to be tweaked. So we had to go through and tweak everything, which is fine. So anyway, essentially, this is the new website. And we've got they've been great. They've got some great team photos put together. We've got the great call to actions up on their websites here. Contact forms, request a callback, all the what we consider conversion factors of a modern website. They've got their social proof right here. A great video of the team, and they've done a really good job with that sort of stuff, and they've been really good with sending us photos and things like that of some of their projects. And as you can see, the website is just beautiful. Like, it's beautifully formatted, beautiful layout, lovely color scheme. It looks great, and they've got all these cool little features and things on there which we've put on. And then beyond that, you'll notice that the copy is actually being written for SEO. So they're partaking in our SEO program, and that includes a lot of on-page, off-page, local SEO, and a bunch of other things. And you'll see, first and foremost, all their services have been split out into their own pages, and all been professionally copywritten. And the purpose of that is obviously so that it has a chance of showing up in searches on Google and the likes. The other thing is here we've added this awesome Meet the Team page. We encourage you guys to do this if you haven't yet, because it really gives your customers an understanding of who is coming to their house, and it puts a photo to it. It's a really great way to sort of build that rapport and lower that barrier of resistance. So you can see here, that's a really nice page, and I had lovely photos taken, all with the same backdrops, which is great. They followed instructions, which is fantastic and refreshing. But as you can see, it's a beautiful, beautiful project. So that's the website side of it. Now, kicking on from that is the SEO campaign, and the SEO campaign is really designed to staple them as the experts within their vertical, in their local area, and then gradually we'll build on that as the program develops. It also ties quite heavily into what we're going to be helping them do with some of their automation and lead nurturing. We've got some great technology for that. If you guys want to see more about that, head across to tradiewebguys.com.au/CRM. Go check that out. We've got some really cool new technology in play there. Very exciting stuff, actually. So that all ties together beautifully to form this wonderful little suite of programs, if you will, for them, which is going to help them really move the needle with their business. And this is a very common project for us. We do these all day long. So if you'd love to have something similar for yourself, or if you at least want to have a scoping session and do a bit of a deep dive and see what some of those options are for your business, we can do that as well. It's obligation free. You just need to head across to tradiewebguys.com.au/apply, and you can fill the form in there, and then you can book a time to have a chat. No problems, we can do that. So I look forward to speaking with you guys. Again, I'm Matt from Tradie Web Guys, and we look forward to seeing your case study one of these days. Thank you.